back to my channel Pretty Little Things. Akriti is somewhere here. I'm Shaurya and today we're going to do a Singapore haul for you guys because Akriti went to Singapore and she's finally back and she's got so much stuff and we are excited to show it to you. And yeah, I'm fine and my voice is fine and my nose is fine and it feels so good. Oh my god, you have so much of energy. Finally, she's fine. And how are you doing? I'm meeting after so long. This was just a camera thing. We've had our entire love scene behind. Yeah man, we met, we went for coffee, we had a date together because I missed her. I miss talking to her. I just go like I can't bro anybody when I'm out. Yeah, so how was your experience? Where did you go? What happened? How was it like? How was the cruise? That's everything. So my husband is a singer and he has a contract with Star Cruise. He performs there every year. So this time we went there for a week and we boarded the same ship thrice and it went to different locations and came back to Singapore. So basically I did not really get time to shop in Singapore as such, but I shopped at the airport and then I shopped at this place called Mustafa. It's like a really crazy big warehouse sort of market where you get everything really cheap in Singapore. We only had like 2-3 hours before we had to board the ship again, so that's the only place we could go to, which was the closest. And yeah, so I have a couple of things, don't have a lot of things, but yeah, whatever I could shop in this while, and I'm gonna show you guys all that. Yes, and there's a lot for just a while. So let's get started. Okay, so I get these phases where I get obsessed to a certain thing, and currently I'm obsessed with headphones. I have no idea why. So I'll tell you why, because it's pink. Yeah, I mean I just couldn't control myself when I saw this neon pink shade, and these are from Mustafa as well. You get amazing electronic products there for really less, and these are Beats Mixer headphones. And they are limited edition in pink color, neon pink color, and they've got amazing packaging. Like you're gonna fall in love. I think mostly we're just overly paying for the packaging for this product. I like it. But they do sound really nice and they're really nice. Look how cute they look. Don't worry about the prices, it will be mentioned in the description box below so you can go and have a look. The next product which I have with me is a really cute pink pen drive. This is also neon pink actually. I have majorly bought everything pink this time. I have no idea why. And the thing is that Praleen is like a gadget freak and he has to go to all these shops and he has to pick up stuff. So I don't know why when he just spends so long in this electronic shop, he has to pick up something for me so that I feel better, and he got me this cute pink pen drive. So continuing with all the electronic gadgets, I picked up this really nice power battery backup for my phone. It comes with this USB cable and it's pink. Why I like this is because it costed me pretty decent, and the thing is that this is of 12,000 mAh, which is a lot. So I can charge my iPad, my phone, and I can charge them together with this, so it's really nice. Cool. And I like the gold detailing. Yeah, very pretty. You know, there's a lot of pink stuff in here, so if you're a person who's not a pink freak, then I think you should quit watching the video right now. So my next product is this really cute wire, and this I got for my car to charge my phone and my iPad and whatever. Everything till now has been like hot pink. Yeah. Really like this wire. It's like flat and long and it's got these 3 ports over here. So apart from all of this pink stuff, you know how much she loves sneakers and she had to pick one of them, and this one is from Zara. I really like this. So I have a lot of white sneakers, golden sneakers, but black I don't have. So I really like these, and these have got this leather finish and they're plain black and they've got a blue sole, so they look very different. And these are from Zara from there, though it said that these are on sale, but they still costed me as much as would have costed me in India actually. So moving on, now I have a couple of products, and the first one is a perfume from Juicy Couture and it's pink again. I love the bottle of this one. It's got a really pretty black ribbon on this, and Do you want to smell this and tell me how? I can finally smell now. I'm so happy. This is your typical floral fragrance. It's not my types, it's completely her type. So basically it's very spicy mixed with floral, and yeah. I hope this stays for long. This is also hot scent, no? Yeah. So this is what the bottle looks like. Next up is a kit of perfume, hand cream and a small keychain from Versace. And it's pink again. Yeah, so we have a lotion from Versace, then a keychain. I love collecting keychains too. And then there is this perfume called Bright Crystal Absolute. Yeah, Absolute. Yeah. You want to smell the perfume? I have already smelled it. How do you like it, man? It's lovely. I don't know why she doesn't like anything floral. I don't like. She likes really musty stuff. Sticky, sweet stuff. Sticky. Oh, I just love that fragrance. I love the bottle though. Yeah. Very classic. So my last two products are from Victoria's Secrets. Whenever I go to Singapore, I have to go to Victoria's Secrets, but I did not have time to go through the market and then find Victoria's Secrets, so I had to shop from the airport only. And I got 3 products from there. Let's show them one by one. Yes, so the first product is a body lotion, and this is called Pink Warm and Cozy. It's really nice and it's got a pump. So it's very easy to use. I'm just going to leave it on my table and pump it out whenever I need to use it. And this one is my favorite. She finally picked up something which is like exactly what I like in my fragrance. It's sweet, it's sticky, it's... Oh, I feel like eating this. This is what the bottle looks like. This another product which I got is also from Victoria's Secrets, and the thing is that the lotion and this deodorant came together in a set, so it costed me less. And this again is a favorite. Why? I need not say anything, I guess. Yeah, this is like completely her fragrance. Exactly, and I think I'm gonna pick it up. I don't know when, but I'm surely gonna pick these 2 up. This is what this one looks like. And the last product is the best one. I'm obsessed with the bottle and everything and the smell. And this is a perfume from Victoria's Secret. It's called Victoria's Secret's Angel Gold. And look at the cover of this one. I don't even feel like opening it. This looks so pretty as it is. And the bottle is amazing. Wait for it. Yeah. Ta-da! Look at this! It's got wings on it, it's got glitter on it, and it's golden. It's so pretty. I'm in love with it. She has so many perfumes now. I think she needs to clear out her entire vanity area just to fit in perfumes in it. Yeah, and the funniest part is that I was never into perfumes. I got obsessed with them ever since the time I've got married, because Perlin loves perfumes. Like, if you go to his table, he's gonna have like so many perfumes, and all that he does is buy perfumes whenever he goes out. So this is what the bottle looks like. You already took so much stuff with you. How did you fit in all of these extra things? Well, while shopping in Mustafa, I picked up a really cute big suitcase, and I had to stuff everything inside that, and that's how I got my stuff back. And I think I should show you guys this suitcase. It's really nice. It's very light and it's very spacious. It's very sturdy too, and it's unbreakable, so it's really nice, and it just costed me about 2,000 bucks. Also, we wanted to thank all of you for subscribing to our channel, and we've recently touched 50,000 subscribers, and it feels super nice. So we thought of doing a giveaway for you guys, wherein we'll have a goodie bag for you, which will have a lot of assortment of different products. It's gonna have our favorite beauty products, some chocolates, a personal message from both of us, and some products, and it's just gonna be an assortment of some really cool stuff put together by both of us, and it's totally worth it. So please participate in the giveaway, and we would love to give one of you guys this cool box full of love from us. All the rules regarding the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out, and we will announce the winners on our Instagram sometime next week. So yeah, that's about it from our side. We hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Three Little Things.